In the sunrise industry of biotechnology, Magene Life Sciences Private Limited, Hyderabad, a unique contract research firm, now places India on par with the leaders in the just emerging field of research process outsourcing. It is probably the only one of its kind in the country. Magene is a valuable frontier line addition to the fast-growing Indian pharma research hub. Magene is a state-of-art facility for cell-based biological screening and in vitro toxicological and safety tests, which are vital steps on the path to new drug discovery. It is one of few such centers on the global scene. Magene Life Sciences Private Limited is set up by Mr. M.P. Chari, former founder MD of internationally renowned pharma firm Dr. Reddy's Laboratories for over 10 years. His team includes Mr. T.R. Bhupati, CEO and MD, who has over 3 decades of sales and marketing experience in pharma sector in reputed companies, and Dr. Geeta Sharma, CSO, an outstanding research scientist and technocrat. She was earlier principal scientist at Shanta Biotech, Hyderabad, and Vice President R&D, Zydus Research Center, Ahmedabad. She was a visiting scientist to such reputed institutions as Rochester School of Medicine, Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Research Center, Mount Sinai School of Medicine, and others. She was also faculty member of a microbiology department of Osmania University, Hyderabad for nearly 3 decades. Under her direction, Magene is both a basic research facility and a contract research firm. In Dr. Geeta Sharma's words,
Magene has positioned itself into a new area of providing service in contract research. With the same passion of doing research, Magene has been conceived to provide a product or to provide a solution to new drug discovery.
Her hand-picked team consists of Mr. Abhijit Mehta, who heads the Metabolic Engineering Department. He was a senior scientist at Zydus Research Center, Ahmedabad, and has intensive pharma industry experience. He is presently researching in heterologous protein expression and biotransformation. Dr. Surinder Kumar had a brilliant academic career and is the head of the Genetic Engineering Unit. His unit works on cloning and receptor-based ligand binding and functional assays for putative drug molecules. Dr. Zachariah Matthew has a doctorate from the University of Illinois and was research associate in the Department of Microbiology, Michigan State University. He heads the Assay Development Department. Having guided 10 doctorate students, Dr. Geeta Sharma has extensive knowledge of microbiology and in her own right was largely responsible for the first indigenous recombinant DNA-based product in India. The just 2-year-old Magene has already 5 patents in the area of oncology and looks forward to garner many more in future. It is recognized by Department of Science and Industrial Research. It has permission from Department of Biotechnology to carry out research using genetically modified organisms. It is an ISO 9001-2000 company. Magene is in the process of obtaining Good Laboratory Practices certification and accreditation from National Accreditation Board for Laboratories. It is also adding to its existing missionaries on a continuing basis. Recently, Magene acquired Biostat CDCU fermenter. So far, the only one of its kind in India. As such, Magene can lay undisputed claim to be a trustworthy and cost-effective collaborator for any of the pharma firms in discovering therapeutic molecules.
Today's recombinant DNA technology offers many platforms and tools that enables one to identify failures at a very early stage in research. And this is where Magene offers its services, enabling one to clone the receptor, the target gene of the disease in question. We do the validation of the drug receptor interaction, do a functional assay of the drug inside the cell, subsequently to take you through the metabolic pathway of the drug using the cytochrome P450 system. We can take you further to do the cytotoxicity test and followed by mutagenicity assays. Then the chances that it would fail in the preclinical and the clinical study is minimized, and therefore the attrition costs are reduced.
Magene is proud to have given research inputs to many leading Indian pharma firms. For the first time in India, the Technology Development Board, Government of India, has extended financial support to a service unit, recognizing Magene's contract research services as a product. It has future plans to set up world-class facilities to undertake contract manufacturing activities also. Magene's mission is to further enhance the claim of India becoming the research destination to the global institutions with its own dedicated collaborative services in drug discovery and allied fields of biotechnology.